Assalamu alaikum friends, this is T7 indicator in front of us. Also, it is a extended display Yahoo YHL1. It has a 1-inch display and this is our locally built display that connects to every indicator. But this one only connect to the Yahoo indicator. Today I will tell you its complete setting. Our number is given if you can buy it from us at a good price. You can see that I have all types of platforms. This is 30 inches in length and width and this one is 24 inches in length and width. If you want any type of platform you can contact us. Our number is given in the video. Apart from this you will also get all kind of extended display from us such as 1 inches, 3 inches and even bigger ones. If you want any size we will make them for you. So now let me show you that as I put the weight on the platform, as the weight is showing on the indicator, the weight is also showing on the extended display at the back. But I tell you the setting of this. The connection of T7 indicator is 3 and 5. The number 3 is TX and the number 5 is ground. And the connections it has will be on 2 and 5. I will also tell you the setting. If you keep bird rate at 2400 then it will be connected. The extended display a bird rate is set on 2400. Simply we put the function and clear button at same time. When we press both of them together it will ask us for the password. Its password is 111. We enter the password 111. Press enter hold button. Use for enter. Press enter and enter. Simple. We will keep BT2 connected to it or press hold button. The connection is done with YHL. So you can see that as we are increasing the weight on the platform, the weight is increasing here and there. Hope friends you like this video very much. If you have any question about it you can ask us, and if you want to purchase it you can contact us on the number given below. I tell you in our channel all kinds of weighing scale or indicator calibration, weighing indicator repairing, load cell repairing and the cost of weighing scale is mentioned. If you have any kind of question about weighing scale then you can ask us. If you are new in our channel and you have not subscribed to our channel yet then quickly subscribe that or press the bell icon so that our every new video can reach you easily. And if you have benefit from this video at all then don't forget to like this video.